Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is magnification. How many times bigger the image is than the real thing. By the end of this video, you'll have the formula locked in, you'll know how to convert units correctly, and you'll calculate magnification problems in the GCSE paper without losing a mark. Magnification equals image size divided by actual size. The same units on the top and bottom always. That's the rule. If you've got the image in millimeters and the actual size in micrometers, you have to convert one before dividing. Magnification has no units. It's just a number written as times something. Three things to lock in. 1. Convert all measurements to one common unit before dividing. 2. The conversion. 1 millimeter is 1,000 micrometers, which is 1 million nanometers. 3. When you use both an eyepiece and an objective lens, the total magnification is the eyepiece magnification times the objective magnification. The classic slip is forgetting to convert. If the image is 5 centimeters and the actual size is 50 micrometers, you cannot just divide 5 by 50. You have to convert 5 centimeters into 50,000 micrometers and then divide. Always check that both numbers are in the same unit before you press the calculator button. Quick example. Image size 5 centimeters, which is 50,000 micrometers. Actual size 50 micrometers. Magnification equals 50,000 divided by 50, which is times 1,000. Two-line method, full marks, convert, divide, done. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.